Okay. Hi, my name's John Hartman, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about identifying your jewelry. We get called every day of the week with people asking, what kind of stone is that in my pendant or what have you, and who made this piece of jewelry? And I'm just telling you, it's important for today, for your customers, and for tomorrow for historic purposes. So I show you a stamp. Cool that off. Here's what my stamp looks like when I do it. It's very nice looking, very professional, small. This is 1/32. And we're going to give you Ron Harris's phone number and email address of Signature Concepts. He's a really good friend of mine, and he makes the best jewelry stamps. And these are some of my stamps, and they run between about $45 and $75 a piece for word stamps. And what I do is most jewelers have use certain types of, a lot of one type of stone, and so I have a very large collection. I have almost every type of turquoise, a stamp for it. And like for example, this one was Hubei turquoise, and so I have a stamp, and Natarika puts this on the stamp for me so I can easily find it. And then this is Egyptian, so then I have an Egyptian stamp. And so on and so forth. I have stamps for just about all turquoise, and as you can see in turquoise, look at that, there is a major difference in stones, and people want to know this. They want to know what it is, and if I'm not around to tell them, well then who knows? But I know. I'm the jeweler who bought the stone. Okay, so I then put them in alphabetical order here, and on magnetic racks, and it's really simple and easy to do, and boy, it adds a lot to your jewelry. So Ron's information is upcoming and on this video here, and I wish you well, and thank you very much for watching my video.